Do you know that bananas actually don't grow on trees? And that the banana plant is considered the world's largest herb? Or that banana chips are not only a delicious snack, but are also healthy and contain lots of potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin A? From the banana farms where bananas are harvested to the high-tech factories that turns them into crispy golden chips, this is how banana chips are made in a factory. Before we continue, I'd like to ask for a quick favor. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. It's free for you, but it makes a huge difference for us. Picture this. A banana farm isn't just rows of trees standing around waiting to bear fruit. No, these bananas are treated like royalty. Every banana tree on these farms is nurtured with an incredible amount of care. And one of the most important tasks is removing the dried up flower remnants that cling to the bananas. Why, you ask? Well, it's all about airflow and sunshine. By removing the dried flowers, farmers improve air circulation and sunlight exposure, which are crucial for growing strong, healthy bananas. And here's something you might not expect. You know those blue bags you sometimes see wrapped around banana bunches in farms? They're not just random farm accessories. These blue bags are actually a key part of the process. They protect the bananas from pests without using harsh chemicals. When the bananas reach just the right size, it's time for harvest. Harvesters use sharp knives to carefully separate banana fingers from the bunch. Once the bananas are cut, they're transported using a clever DIY wire system that keeps them from getting bruised or damaged. Once the bananas arrive at the facility, it's time for a good old-fashioned bath. But these aren't just dunked in water. Bananas are delicate, so they're washed with a carefully controlled amount of water pressure. Too much, and the bananas could be damaged. Too little, and they're not clean enough. Before we get into the frying and crunching, there's one more important step: sorting. You might be surprised to learn that sorting bananas isn't just about picking the ones that look good. Bananas are sorted by size, shape, and firmness. Only the firmest, most uniform bananas make it to the banana chip line. But wait, why do they only use green bananas for chips? Great question. It's all about the texture. Green bananas are firmer and less sweet than ripe ones, which makes them perfect for slicing and frying. Once the ripe bananas are selected, they head over to the slicer, which is another masterpiece of engineering. This machine slices the bananas into perfect uniform pieces, about 3 millimeters thick. And now, the moment you've been waiting for: frying. This part of the process is a real spectacle. The sliced bananas are transported through an industrial fryer on a conveyor belt, getting bathed in hot oil until they're golden and crispy. It's one of those oddly satisfying sights, watching raw banana slices magically transform into crunchy chips. But it doesn't stop there. After frying, the chips are quickly seasoned with flavorings or spices, giving them that extra kick of taste that keeps you reaching back into the bag for more. It's time for packaging, and this step is just as important as the frying. Using advanced multi-head weighing machines, each bag of banana chips is carefully filled with the exact amount of chips. No more opening a bag only to be disappointed by how much air is inside. Every bag is weighed and packed to perfection, ensuring you get exactly what you paid for. And in case you were wondering, bananas aren't just about snacks. They're actually one of the most nutritious fruits out there. Packed with potassium and dietary fiber, bananas can do wonders for your body. Eating bananas or banana chips can help improve your mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Plus, they contain vitamin B6, which helps in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin. So, next time you're feeling down, grab a handful of banana chips. But here's where things get even more interesting. This same factory doesn't just make banana chips, it also exports fresh bananas. And those bananas go through just as rigorous a selection process. Only the very best bananas are chosen for export, and they're carefully packed to maintain their quality during long journeys. And for the bananas that don't make it to the chip line or export market, they get turned into banana pulp. Processing bananas into pulp extends their usability, and the smooth, creamy texture of banana pulp is perfect for making things like smoothies, baby food, or even baked goods. Speaking of transforming food, let's switch gears for a moment. The banana chip factory is just one part of a much bigger picture. Food processing is an incredible world of innovation, and it's not just about bananas. Take apple juice, for example. Apple juice might seem like a basic drink, but in places like Japan, it's often treated like a luxury. Some brands even use a single high-quality apple for each bottle of juice. That's right, one apple, one bottle. Talk about premium. Now let's talk nuts, specifically walnuts. These little guys are often hailed as a brain food, and for good reason. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. They're also loaded with antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. So whether you're snacking on walnuts or tossing them into a salad, they're doing more for you than just tasting good. They're working behind the scenes to keep your heart and brain in top shape. But let's get back to snacks. Croissants, to be exact. Who doesn't love a flaky, buttery croissant? The way it practically melts in your mouth with every bite, it's like biting into pure bliss. And guess what? The process of making croissants is just as delicate and precise as the process of making banana chips. Machines carefully roll out layers of dough to create that signature flaky texture, ensuring every croissant is a masterpiece. And let's not forget about baklava. Those golden, crispy layers of pastry with a sweet syrup drizzled on top. It's heaven in dessert form. And the handmade touch that goes into every piece makes it all the more special. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This food journey has been amazing, but what about chocolate? I hear you. Chocolate-covered treats are a whole nother world of indulgence. Picture this, a smooth, even waterfall of melted chocolate perfectly coating a filling. Whether it's waffles, biscuits, or even fruit, this chocolate coating process is like art in motion. It's practical, efficient, and incredibly satisfying to watch. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how some of your favorite snacks are made, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. We've got so much more in store, whether it's about sandwich cutters, slicing through thick layers of meat and cheese with precision, or the incredible machines that package hundreds of cookies at lightning speed. There's always something new to explore in the world of food production. And guess what? We're just scratching the surface. Stay tuned, because there's a whole world of food production left to explore, and we're going to dive even deeper next time. Until then, keep snacking, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.